So in this video I'm going to show you some basics example of numeric operation that we can do now in Julia. Let me first tell you what this two line does, and this line will actually print the file name, but not this name main.jl. Instead it will show you the Visual Studio Julia server that is actually running this code, and this macro will print the how many bits we have in place. So let me try it first, and let's see what do we have here. Okay, so see, this is the file name that Visual Studio Code is running, and this is the number of bits we have in our system. Now let's quickly dive into the numeric operation part and the arithmetic part. So this is how we can declare a variable. Very simple, we don't have to worry about the data type. Julia itself will figure out, and let me tell you, the default size will be the size of the system. Okay, so in our case this is 64, so the default integer side will be integer 64. But let me tell you, Julia support up to 128 bit in native data type, and after that Julia also can support big integer, big floats. In fact, arbitrary precision also supported by Julia. Now the next interesting syntax, two interesting syntax I found and is worth sharing with you. So this is a new symbol, the forward slash. This actually does b divided by a, not this is the a divided by b, and this is b divided by a, and that's all. So so let me save it first and have a look at the answer. Yeah, that's all. Okay, now few interesting things that I also have in place. So Julia have this operator, square root operator, and this is what quite interesting. So it will actually calculate the square root of 5, and how we can write this in the editor. Very simple, sqrt, then press enter, square root, then write any number, assign it to a variable, and that's all. It will print the square root of the value. So the next, Julia also support quite interesting symbols, but hey, in our case pi is not 3.14. okay, so let me tell you, Julia supports UTF-8 encoding, UTF-8 encoding, and all the character supported by UTF-8 encoding we can directly write and print an input to Julia. Okay, so let us have a look on the values. Fine, and last but not the least, this is another very interesting syntax. We can use digit separator, underscore, in between long numbers. So here this is actually the same number, but with digit separated. So count the number of zeros, 2, then 3, then yeah. So hope you are enjoying, and this is the very last topic for today's video I want to show you. This is how we can cast our values and assign to a variable. So here bit string is a function provided by Julia. and it will actually give you the bit pattern which is actually inside the memory. Computer only understood binary and zeros and one, so you can find zeros and one. So if I have int 8, then the bit string will be little bit shorter than int 16. Okay, it will be good if I have the same number in both cases. So now let me run this. So here you can see this is 8-bit and this is 16-bit. Fine. Hope you enjoyed this video, and try all the syntax on your place on your computer. Write your favorite programs, do some hacks. You can do lot of syntactical hack with Julia, and let me know in the comments. Till then, bye bye.